I'm flowing, breaking like a master with the swing. In the alleyways, the footwork does the talking, hear the ring. Got the bottle in my hand, wisdom sipping cause I sing. This ain't chaos but the dance of a king. From rooftops to the streets, feel the tempos that I bring. Eyes low, mind high, gotta keep it on the string. Drunk in the dance, I'm the master, see me fly. Moving like the wind, no shadows, no alibi. Flowing with the rhythm like a samurai. Drunk in the dance till the end of the sky. Rhyming through the darkness while the moonlight hits. Wisdom like the ancient drunken stories and myths. Flow so deadly, poison on your lips. Through the echoes of the streets, find my tips. Spinning with the shadows, dance between the flips. Braiding through the night as another chapter rips. Drunk in the dance, I'm the master, see me fly. Moving like the wind, no shadow, alibi. Flowing with the rhythm like a samurai. Drunk in the dance till the end of the sky. Master of the unknown, gliding with the flow. Strings and samples guide where to go. With every sip, the rhythm starts to grow. Breaking every chain, it's only me that I owe. Drunk in the dance, I'm the master, see me fly. Moving like the wind, no shadow alibi. Flowing with the rhythm like a samurai. Draw with the rhythm like a samurai. To the end of the sky. I'm a whisper in the storm, moving with the thunder. Channeling the spirits, setting minds to wonder. Through the bamboo forest, my lungs breathe the plunder. Sip the knowledge, I can't easily go under. Soundtrack from the soul, rooted in the ancient. Every strike and every beat, a masterpiece with patience. Lost in the echo strings, pulling sensations. With each glass, wisdom grows, no hesitation.